Hey y'all, it's the Bald Baddie and I'm back with another lit hair tutorial. So today, we're going to be using Color Oops. It's a hair color remover from Walmart. It costs about $11. So I'm going to be using this product to get those stains, those red, ugly, pigmented stains out of my lace. So y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. I stained my lace trying to color my hair dark cherry red. And I am teed off. So I'm gonna unbox this and show y'all what's in this box. So you're gonna take these two products inside this box and remove those stains out of that lace. So boom, I take my mixing brush and my mixing bowl, and I mix these two together. This color, this red, got to go because I'm not feeling it. So I take my bowl, I take number one, mix it in there, pour it in there, y'all. I poured half a bottle. It didn't take that much, but I just really wanted that pigmented red out of my lace. You take the number two, couldn't get it open, so I just poured it in there because, well, I need to get my lace right, okay? So you just mix it up. It's really beginner friendly, y'all. Like it's really like mistake proof. You can't really make a mistake with this. So I'm just gonna take my color, not my color, but like my color corrector, my stain remover, and I'm going to just paint it on there. I'm taking a light hand. It may look like it's a heavy hand, but it's really a light hand. So I'm taking my color remover. I'm going to keep painting on there because, well, I don't want those red spots you see to be on my lace. Now, if it doesn't take up all the stains out, I'm still okay. As long as it gets the majority of those stains out, I'll be all right because I know how to, correct, a lace. So if you want your lace, to be perfect, and you messed it up by coloring your hair, look no further. Watch my video because I'm gonna teach you how to get them stains out of that lace. So keep painting it on there. Keep taking it with a light hand. This product was kind of strong. It had a little foul smell, but it wasn't all bad. Like, I didn't have problems with the product because, well, all them chemicals that's in the product, I was expecting that to be a loud smell, but it was manageable. So you're gonna get a little smell because you're dealing with chemicals, but I recommend this to all beginner people who are, coloring hair and staining their lace and like, dang, I got a stained lace. I found something for you. It's at Walmart for $11. Matter of fact, it's $10.77. That is a steal. That is a major steal. So I'm still painting that color on with a light hand, and I'm still trying to, get my lace right. It's already, y'all, I have not even finished. It's already turning back brown. Like, my lace is turning back brown. And, I'm not tripping on a little red spots, but my whole lace, my whole 13x4 cannot be submerged in red hair dye. This hair dye I was actually using was a L'Oreal Hot Color red hair dye. It was in the color magenta. So when I got through painting that on, I looked at my lace and I was like, okay, this is what I'm looking at. Like, this is what I'm feeling, because I didn't want to see that. And when I saw that my lace was actually going back to that brown color, I felt good. Like, I felt okay. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at this. It don't look as bad as how it looked when the video first started. It looked bad still, but it don't look as bad. This process took me every bit of like 15 minutes at most. And I even went through my parts and stuff and tried to get that red lace, get that red hair dye out. I wasn't feeling too, bad about what I did because, well, I like what I saw. I ain't had no problems, and if you are a beginner, this is for you. Like, this video is definitely for you. Even if you've been doing hair for a while and you're looking for that perfect, stain remover, this is the one for you. I like it. It's something I can readily assess. This is how my lace came out. I let it sit for like 20 minutes, like the box said, and I'm satisfied. I know how to tint, lace to where it's not orange like that, of course. So, and I haven't even colored the hair yet, so my roots are gonna be red. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at the Bald Baddie with the ATHA Bald Baddie, and let's stay tuned for another lit video. See you, folks.